Alright, you non-fiction authors, coaches, content creators, listen up. If you have put your heart and soul, your everything into creating a book, but when it comes to marketing it, when it comes to making sales with it, you're crashing into a brick wall. If you've done that, if you've been through that, then you're not alone, okay? And please, always remember, the money is not really in making the product, the money is in marketing the product, okay? And this is why I am coming to you with another splendid review of mine, I know, very humble, of Publisher Pro. I've checked this product inside out, pretty blown away. I mean, I love the vendors and all of that, so I'll share all the details with you to help you make an educated decision, guys. I believe you're gonna be pretty blown away, again, by the quality of it. I've tested it. I mean, I will come up probably with another video of how I personally use this product for a book that I publish on Amazon as well, that I have written with the help of AI by following another course. That's another story. But yeah, I have a lot to share with you. So today I'll actually focus on the front end of the offer. Okay, the funnel is not a never-ending story. There's only a few upsells. Super cool as well. I know these vendors very well. I have reviewed and promoted another product by the same guys. This is like a team of 4 amazing internet marketers. So you're getting like close to, 8 years of experience combined, And the other product they created was called Neural Rephraser, I believe. Yeah, amazing software for rewriting content. But today we are focusing on Publisher Pro. So this is your AI prompt kit. Nothing you've seen before, trust me, okay? It has been so cleverly and strategically designed, and they have put their brains into these prompts, and oh my goodness, I have so much to share with you. So let me jump into it, guys. This is the sales page. So excuse my slightly chaotic style, happens to me always when I have so much to say about the product, but you're gonna love it too. Okay, guys, so this is the sales page. Pretty sweet and short to the point. I mean, they could have hyped it up way more, okay? But you know what? I just love the simplicity of it. They just tell you what you get. Okay, this is the bonus. This is all the prompts you will get. They're all listed here. And voila, okay? And this is all that you will get inside. So for example, you see the press boss, your personal publicist on demand. So this is what the product is. Your personal publicist, your copywriter, your strategist, and all of that. So it will help you market your book in the ways you have never seen before, in the ways you could have not possibly imagined before, okay? It's a very, very professional product, guys. So yeah, again, this is the sales page, and you will get to the sales page via my written review. This is my written review, okay? So the vendors are these guys, Prompt Core Dynamics. I love them. I love them a lot. These are the guys, okay? And let me show you the Warrior Plus score. See, 5 stars. This is around 4 stars in general. But this tool, this software, they created a while ago. I did promote it very proudly. I made some good sales with this launch. Very good offer indeed. Very good software. Neural Rephraser, it got 5 stars out of close to 5 stars out of 5, so it must be good, right? We are dealing with quality vendors. This is the members area of Publisher Pro, so I'll show you around. And guys, also my bonuses will blow your socks off. And before I show you my bonuses, this is the funnel details. The front end, $27. However, it is going live today on the 18th of June, 11 a.m. New York time. And as soon as it goes live, there will be an auto-applied coupon on the sales page of $5. So I believe it should come down to $22 during the launch. It's only 5 days launch, guys. Let me double check. Yes, 5 days only. Okay, so launching today again. So grab it while you can. It's something you will need at some point. If you're into self-publishing, if you're into creating content, if you're a coach, you will need smart ways to market your content, to sell your stuff. And there's no two ways around it, okay? Again, the money is in marketing the product, not making the product. You can make the biggest masterpiece out there, but if you don't know how to sell it, it's just going to be collecting digital dust, okay? And we don't want that. We want to sell. Right, so going back to the funnel details. Here we have the OTO number 1, Publisher Pro PLR, so you get the full PLR rights to this product. If you want to resell it, and it's a product of an amazing quality, then you can get this. Read more about what you're going to get with this bonus in my written review down below. OTO number 2 is the Neural Rephraser, and you can get it at the discounted price because they made it a part of this funnel. Again, the Neural Rephraser is the tool, your AI rewriter that I told you about that sold so well and got 5 stars. So it's a yearly subscription, but you can also, as OTO number 3, you can get the lifetime buyout to it. And I know a lot of people who got it from me also got the OTO, which is the lifetime buyout, because, it makes sense. And then OTO number 4 is the week masterclass webinar for $97. So read more about the funnel in my written review, guys, again. Okay, I don't want to steal too much of your time. Now, my bonuses are truly gonna blow your socks off. I'm not joking. I have put my heart and soul into creating these bonuses. They will really help you with this offer. These are the bonuses. Let me show them to you here, already delivered to your Warrior Plus account because it is launching on Warrior Plus. So book traffic blueprint. See, this is the bonus. These are, guys, 11 plus overlooked places to promote your books for free. Okay, I go through all of that. So many links to all sorts of platforms. Then how to monetize books with Google Play Store. This is a tutorial, a personal tutorials done by me. How to, you see, almost 20 minutes long, how to publish your books on Google Play Store. Not as saturated as Amazon, so a little known of platform for publishing books, yet you can also charge higher prices for it, and it's really good. And then I give you sort of like a mini tutorial PDF on how to turn these books after you've published them on Google Play Store, how to turn them into audiobooks with a few clicks. Okay, so a guide on that. And if that wasn't enough, I also give you my personal book that I sell on Amazon. And I'll come back to it. This book, guys, I created as a result of going for another course from Steve Mello, amazing vendor himself. I created this book with the help of AI. It's a budget-friendly action plan for marketing your AI children's book. Okay, this book is 150 pages long. I did create it with AI, but I've done a lot of edits to it. It's about something I'm quite passionate about and I know a thing or two about. And I will be using, and I'll show you tomorrow how I'll be using this product, Publisher Pro, to help me with the marketing of that book. Okay, this book that I give you as a PDF has been published on Amazon already, okay? And now I really need to kickstart with the marketing of this book. So I believe you're truly gonna love my bonuses. All of them are already waiting for you in your Warrior Plus account. Now let's focus on the members area. So there is not crazy much to show. I mean, the value is just through the roof, but it's very simple look of the members area. So it's like that, thank you for the purchase. Ready to get started. Click to download the Publisher Pro here, and then click to download the special bonus that is mentioned on the sales page, this bonus. How to promote your book like a pro, turn your words into sales using smart, simple, and scalable AI strategist. So this is an amazing bonus as well. Could be a standalone offer on its own easily. But let me show you the product, the main product. So it's here. So this is the Publisher Pro PDF, 40 pages long. I'm just quickly scrolling through as not to reveal too much information. So you see all kinds of prompts. And to get more information, what prompts specifically to perform what kind of tasks, right? You have it all listed on the sales page, so read about them. These are the prompts you will get. And again, I'll most likely come back with another video tomorrow on how I am using these prompts, because I have found a way around like doing it really hand-free. I was even thinking of turning it into a bonus tutorial. Okay, only give it to those who actually buy the product from me. But then I thought, a spirit of generosity just came upon me, and I thought like, no, let's make it accessible for everyone. So I shoot another video on how I'm using this product, because I was working with Gemini. You can obviously work with ChatGPT, and they actually recommend that AI specifically. Okay, or Claude is also good, but Gemini works just fine too. And what I did, I uploaded the content of my book, this book. Okay, I have it here as a Google Doc as well. So I'm giving it to you as a PDF, but 150 pages, Gemini can deal with it. And I am working in 2 chats. Okay, I'm not mixing it. So in one chat, I was asking Gemini to go through the book and give me the information that I would then need to fill out the blanks in the prompts. Okay, because if you have a book that has been created by AI, you may not necessarily know how to put professionally, how to prompt and how to write very descriptively on point in a punchy way and eloquent way to fill out the blanks in the prompts. These guys give you access here too. So this is the Publisher Pro. So this is the file you will download. So you've got the ebook here. So I've already shown you the ebook, but here you also have individual prompts. So they deliver this also as it will open up in your note as a notebook. Okay. So if you see you have the ad copy expert, the back cover boss, the content commander, guest post generator, inbox closer, landing page launcher, media magnet. Okay, these are all prompts, guys. Podcast pitch pro, press boss, review responder, and social sharpshooter. Okay, I love how they named it. Okay, so let me just open up one of them just to explain to you what I mean by filling out the blanks. So you see, you have the prompt here, and you have, for example, you have the role and objective, the instructions, the reasoning steps, and you will feed this prompt to AI, but there are some blanks like features, benefits, target audience, all of that. And you see, you will need to fill it out in order to get the best possible output from the AI. Okay, whatever AI you're using. Always remember, junk in, junk out, garbage in, garbage out. Your prompt has to be on point. So you will need to fill in these blanks. So what I was doing, I pasted the whole book into one chat that I was having with Gemini, and I was doing it hand in hand. So I got the benefits, all of the information that I needed in order to fill in the blanks to these prompts. Okay. So if you really want like a hand-free way of doing that, of going around it, then, watch my tomorrow's video and I'll show you how I do that. But guys, trust me, this is really something crazy useful. I believe you're gonna love it. And again, my bonuses are truly second to none. Again, if you're serious about marketing your content, your books, this is something you want to get your hands on. And I truly wholeheartedly recommend it. It's really high quality. So that's that, guys. Love you and leave you, and I shall see you tomorrow in my follow-up video to this product. Okay, bye.